Buffer overflow attacks, which in general are launched after the reconnaissance of attacks. So after the application or operating system was identified, and this kind of attack exploits application or service anomalies. So like a specific payload or code or instruction or command is being sent to the victim's service. And as I was saying, this is usually achieved by code execution. So the attacker is going to send something in a specific format to the victim service, and then that's going to execute those commands on the endpoint, which can lead to system compromise. Because in general, how this works is that the service cannot handle the received payload appropriately, and while writing the data, the payload to the buffer, it overruns it, which means that the system may crash due to the exception, or because an exception is going to happen, the system may in the end, for example, allow unauthorized access to the endpoint for being managed or for being reconfigured. One of the use cases that you can find in there useful is going to be an example where you can actually crash and reboot a Cisco network device from user mode by using a show command, which makes use of regex, but that regex is configured in such a way that is going to make the network device run into an infinite loop and run out of memory, basically. So that's one of the, because the show command is being available from the user mode. So you might think that as long as I give access to the user from user mode, you might think that it cannot reload the device, because reloading the device is going to require more privileges. So the user cannot actually type in the reload command by itself, but it can type a specific show command which is accessible to its privilege level. And in that show command, it can make use of a regex, which was gonna make the network device run into an infinite loop and then run out of memory and crash the device and reload it.